Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following exponential equations. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to leave in the comment section. We have show that the root of 2x plus the root of 2x plus 4 equals 5 times root 2 to the power of x. I'm going to rewrite the question. I have the root of 2 to the power of x plus the root of 2 to the power of x plus 4 equals 5 times the root of 2 to the power of x. Because we've been asked to show that means we are trying to prove, and I'm going to prove from the side that look more complex. In this case, that's the left-hand side. So I'm going to say, from my left-hand side, that's LHS for short, as acronym, what do I have there? I have root of 2 to the power of x plus the root of 2 to the power of x plus 4 equals, I'm going to break down what I have under my root here using the laws of exponents that states that if I have a to the power of x plus y, it's also equal to a to the power of x times a to the power of y in expanded form. So therefore, I have that as root of 2 to the power of x plus the square root of 2 to the power of x times my dot means multiplication, 2 to the power of 4. The next step, applying the surd rule that states that the square root of a times b is the same as the root of a times the root of b. I'm going to further break down what I have under my root here, and that's equal to the root of 2 to the power of x plus the root of 2 to the power of x times the root of 2 to the power of 4. Because I have a plus in between my terms, the next step is for me to factorize the common term, or the factor that is common to the two terms. In this case, that's root of 2 to the power of x. So therefore, if I factor that out, I have 2 to the power of x. I'm going to write out properly. I'm left with 1 on my left-hand side plus root of 2 to the power of 4 on my right-hand side, close bracket. If I resolve, note that another way of writing my root sign in rational form, if I have root of a, is a to the power of 1 over 2. So therefore, this becomes root of 2 to the power of x in bracket 1 plus 2 to the power of 4 all raised to my half. So that will be power to a power. We're applying quite a number of rules here. So if I have a to the power of x and then raised to the power of y is the same as a to the power of x times y. So therefore, that becomes root of 2 to the power of x in bracket 1 plus, I have 2 or my 4 times a half. That's going to be 2 squared, and that will be root of 2 to the power of x in bracket 1 plus 2 squared is 4, and that will give me 5. That's 1 plus 4. Therefore, my final answer, 5 root of 2 all raised to the power of x, which is equal to my right-hand side. So I've been able to show that the root of 2 to the power of x plus root of 2 to the power of x plus 4, if I simplify, will give me 5 times root of 2 all raised to the power of x. The next question says, hence, we have 2 or otherwise solve for x if my expression on the left is equal to 2.5 or 2.5. So I'm going to write that out. I have root of 2 to the power of x plus root of 2 to the power of x plus 4 equals 2 1 over 2. Remember, in the first part of the question, I've been able to show that that expression equals 5 times root 2 all to the power of x. So I'm going to replace what I have here with that. So therefore, my left-hand side becomes 5 times root of 2 or raised to the power of x equals, I'm going to change 2 1 over 2 to an improper fraction, and that will be 5 over 2. So therefore, the next step, I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and whatever you do on your left, you do on your right. So if I have this by 5, and then I have this divided by 5, what I'm going to have on my left-hand side is, I'm left with my root of 2 to the power of x equals 1 over 2. Note that 5 over 2 divided by 5, when you're dividing fraction, you keep the fraction on your left, you change your division sign to multiplication, and then you flip the right hand side, 5 and 5 1, so I'm left with 1 over 2. The next step, I'm going to rewrite my surd form in rational exponent or in exponential form. So that will be 2 to the power of x divided by 2. Note that root of a in exponential form is the same as a to the power of a half. So therefore, that's equal to, then I'm going to rewrite my 2 here in exponential form. So that's going to be 2 to the power of -1, that's a negative exponent. And once the base are the same as shown, then I can equate my powers. So therefore, I have x over 2 equals -1. And if I multiply both sides by 2, what I'm going to have is x will be equal to -2. So I'm being able to find the value of x. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Thanks for watching. Bye.